Why should we learn English? English is one of the most popular languages in the world. Many people want to learn it for different reasons. In this article, we will look at the main reasons why learning English is important. Let's explore together. 1. English is a global language. English is used everywhere in the world. It is the official language in over 50 countries and spoken by more than 1.5 billion people. This means that if you can speak English, you can talk to people from many different places. It helps you make friends, share ideas, and learn about other cultures. Imagine meeting someone from another country and being able to understand them. How amazing is that? 2. Better job opportunities. Many companies today need workers who know English. English is often the language of international business, so learning it can open doors to better jobs. For example, you can work in big companies, communicate with clients from other countries, or even travel for work. Employers see English as a useful skill, and if you have it, you might get better job offers and higher salaries. Learning English helps you grow your career and achieve your dreams. 3. Travel becomes easier. Do you love traveling? Knowing English can make your trips more enjoyable. At airports, train stations, and hotels, signs and information are usually written in English. If you can speak and understand English, you can ask for help, order food, or find your way. This makes traveling more comfortable and fun. You can also talk to local people and learn more about their culture. With English, the world becomes easier to explore. Number 4. Access to more knowledge. English is the language of the internet, books, and media. Many websites, educational videos, and online courses are in English. If you want to learn new skills, study interesting topics, or read famous books, English can help. For example, if you like science, most research papers are in English. If you like movies or TV shows, you can enjoy them without subtitles. Learning English gives you access to a big world of knowledge and entertainment. 5. Build confidence. Learning English is not only about speaking a new language, it is also about building confidence. When you start learning, it might feel hard, but every step you take is a success. You feel proud when you can speak or understand English. This makes you believe in yourself. It shows that you are ready to work hard and grow. Confidence helps you in all areas of life, not just language. 6. Make new friends. Speaking English helps you connect with people from other countries. You can meet people online, join groups, or even travel to meet your new friends. English is like a bridge that connects people. You can share stories, exchange ideas, and learn from each other. Making friends who speak English also gives you more chances to practice and improve your skills. 7. Prepare for education. Many schools and universities use English for their classes. If you plan to study abroad, English is very important. You will need it for writing essays, joining discussions, and understanding lectures. Even if you don't study abroad, learning English helps you understand subjects better, as many textbooks are in English. This is why learning English is a key to success in education. Grace 8. Learn about other cultures. When you learn English, you also learn about the cultures of English-speaking countries. You can enjoy their music, movies, books, and traditions. For example, you can watch Hollywood movies, listen to English songs, or read famous books like Harry Potter. Understanding culture helps you see the world in a new way and appreciate different lifestyles. 9. A skill for the future. In today's world, English is more important than ever. Technology and global communication are growing, and English is the main language for these areas. By learning English, you prepare yourself for the future. It is a skill that will always be useful, no matter where you go or what you do. Now you know many reasons why learning English is important. Do you agree with these points? Or do you have your own reasons to learn English? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn together and support each other.